What's going on YouTube? So just want to show you guys where I spend, I guess 90% of my time here at the house is because this office is our office. My wife's a little bit simpler. Here's mine right here. So this is where I spend most of the time working when I work remotely and when I process videos, process pictures, play video games. I'm still playing video games. So as you can see, I'll give you guys a walkthrough of what I have here. So there's a stack of video cards here, but I recently upgraded my video card from the 2080 Ti to the 3090. That should allow me to, I guess, process 4K videos much easier. I mean, the 2080 Ti is okay. I'm always like a sucker for the the latest technology, even though I don't need it. But so it is what it is. So I chose with I went with the EVGA XC3. These are Founders Edition. I'm not using those. I'm using just one XC3 Ultra, as you can see there. It's actually much smaller than the 2080 Ti Asus Strix that I had. So that's actually really surprising. It's actually right here. So here's the old video card that I had, the Asus Strix 2080 Ti. It's actually 2.5 bay video card right here. So that one is actually just strictly two bay slot. It's really small, and for the power that it has. So this one's a 4K monitor right here. This is where I edit my videos that are 4K and my pictures, because they're super high resolution when I do my photo shoots and stuff. This is mainly a 240 hertz 1080p monitor. This is basically just for gaming. So I play a lot of first-person shooting games, and that's all I really play. So I need this is like the competitive setup right here with the 60% keyboard right here, and just a basic lightweight gaming mouse. I need to clean my mouse pad. You can see I do play a lot. So yeah, so it's just one of those home tour for the rooms that I'm really excited about. Like, I'm always here, so I figure I just share this with you guys. It's a pretty small room, so I have it's basically a bedroom that I turned into an office. It's nice because I could see out the window if someone's coming by and all that stuff. I don't have to be locked in inside the house where I don't see anything. So, oh, I forgot. So that's the PS5, of course. Very hot item right now. Lucky to get one for sure. The only thing I play on that is like single player games. Like they look good on 4K, 60 hertz and stuff like that. Because this monitor is only a 60 hertz monitor. It's not a 144 or anything like that the PS5 is capable of. So this is 4K 60 hertz, so it's good enough to play like sports games and things like that. But if I'm doing competitive play or anything like that where I'm actually getting sweaty and all that, I use the 1080p monitor, 240 hertz there. But yeah, cable management could be worked on. You can't really see it from the top, so yeah, it is what I still have to work on that. I get too lazy. Nobody really goes here. Nobody really sees this but me. I still have a lot of plans for the room, at least to, make it nicer, get some kind of custom lights in here and give it more accent. The walls are just plain white. You could probably put some sound dampening material foam that has some patterns to it, make it nicer and all that. So just before I end the video, I guess a quick spec on the tower here. Just a Crystal 280X Corsair running a H100i RGB Platinum, I think. Yeah. CPU cooler. It's a Intel 9900K CPU. 32 gigabytes of RAM in there. I'm running a 1 terabyte NVMe SSD with 2 4 terabytes hard disk drives for storage when it comes to my videos and pictures and things like that. I just shoved the tower back there, but it has good airflow. Don't worry about it. It has good ventilation. When these boxes are not here, I just set this one here for now because I don't have any room in the closet or in the floor. I don't want to put it on the floor. It's kind of expensive. So yeah, so that's it. That's the I actually have a game drive, because you need that for the PS5. They said it's 825 gigs. You run out of space on the first day because you get to download a lot of free things on the PlayStation Store once you're subscribed. So one of those things that you didn't know once you get it. I'm trying to get. I want to complete this and have like a, you know, an Xbox Series X2. I don't really play Xbox. I'm not even sure if I really want one. I think it's just just for aesthetics. I want to have all of them. That's kind of ridiculous first world problem thing. I'm interested in Xbox. I mean, I used to play Xbox. Most of my friends are on PlayStation now, so maybe I'll put that downstairs where the TV is for the guests and things like that. But yeah, I'm a PlayStation guy now. Yeah, so that is what it is. There's a lot of games. Like I said, there's a lot of games you can download for free. So make sure you have enough hard disk space. So get that game drive. It's a 5 terabyte game drive. You can use any external hard drive. You don't have to get a game drive. Yeah, so yeah, there's the setup. Very simple. So I showed you guys the garage, the gym, and the office, and this is where I spend most of my time. And it's my camera gear right there. Like I said, it's just, I hope I can get it nicer in the future. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video somewhat. Yeah, got a microphone there. You need that too. All right, guys, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.